Kenny Superstar, and today I am reviewing Condors, the giant birds from the land. It's a S-level book for 8 to 10 years old, and word count 1020 words. And I want you to recommend to pause a video on it when I show the connections. So in writing and science, so you can make connections with it. Okay, I think you should pause the video. Okay. Condors, giant birds. This book is all about condors.
Who's the author?
The author is by Charlotte Watson. What makes condor a bird? A condor bill is strong and sharp. A condor's wings can reach wide as 10.5 feet. A condor has feathers on his body but not on his head. A condor has strong legs and wide talons. All birds have a backbone, have feathers, have wings, have a bill, lay eggs, are warm-blooded. Condors are endangered also, like manatees. Condors could die by bullets. Sometimes they eat the bullets, or sometimes the people kill coyotes and other animals, and then the condors will eat it, and then they left some poison to kill the condors. And sometimes condors don't know, and they accidentally eat the power lines and they die. Or like in one time in Californian condors are endangered and nearly extinct. There are 10 condors left only, until there was like a military who saved the condors and helped them rise. Now the population of condors are growing bigger and bigger, and now they're estimated by 1,000 that are still in the wild, like from thousands. Okay, and condors, there's two species of condor, an Andean condor and a Californian condor. Californian condors live in the America Southwest. Andean condors live in the South America. I don't know actually where it is though. If I just check in this book, maybe that's
What the differences between these two
the
species?
difference between them is male condors doesn't have like the thingy on the head.
Oh.
This like this. That's why. This is an Andean condor, and this is a California condor.
Oh.
And on the first page, it's an Andean condor, so that's why I saw it. And it's also this one is a Californian condor. So it has a thing in here, and you can recognize also because the skin over here it's very darker, right? Yeah, it's kind of dark. See? Yep, that's it. See you later, and don't forget to check out our channel, Kenny Superstar. Bye bye.